You're not looking at her.
Oh, Lord. Metaverse, mommy.
Oculus. After this tutorial, you'll be ready to explore.
Stevenson Squad. You gotta say Stevenson Squad.
Mommy's coming.
Stevenson Squad.
Stevenson squad.
Stevenson Squad.
Squad.
Mackenzie, back up, baby. Come back here, baby. Back up. Can you say unboxing? Mackenzie, back up, baby. Back up. Can you say unboxing? Unboxing.
Cut 2.
Here we go. Unboxing.
Mommy, you're all on the ottoman.
Unboxing.
Mackenzie, focus. Maddie.
We're gonna
Stevenson Squad, like, comment, and subscribe.
and hit the notification.
And hit notification bell. So we got some stuff in the mail today, guys. And we don't know what's in this box right now. We ordered so much stuff, we don't know what's in here. So y'all are getting to see what we got going on. Surprise! She said surprise. Unboxing. Oh, it's the first one. Yeah, I think this is a clue.
Oh my god!
Oh, what is it?
Oh my goodness, guys!
What is it, Madison?
It's a VR!
Yeah. Ooh.
I've always wanted a VR for so long.
Yeah, y'all see that? So this is the Oculus. Show that, Madison. Show
I
it.
can play Roblox by putting your phone in there, and then I can play Roblox on your
You
thing.
can play Roblox on Oculus? The phone doesn't go in there. No, the phone doesn't go in there.
Oh.
Yeah. See, you
This
don't
is
have,
an even better
it's
one.
even better. You don't have to put a phone in there.
Let's open it.
We will. Let's open up the other box that goes with it.
Okay.
Now the side was already open, so
Everything
everything better be in here. So let's we already gonna open up one side of it. Okay, that's the only thing that should be in there. No, that's like the battery. That's like an extra strap for the battery.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a battery strap.
That's the actual thing.
So this is the actual
I didn't
thing.
realize that myself.
Yeah, this is the actual Oculus. Yeah,
Let's see what kind of games you can play.
the Oculus 2, Quest 2. Oculus Quest 2.
Let's see what kind of games.
And it's got all kind of games and stuff. You can kind of see it on the back. But you can do more than just play games with this thing, man. Like, you can go to like virtual meetings. You can go, we gotta clean it. You can go to virtual like parties. So you know how you go on like Snapchat and Instagram and stuff right now? So instead of going on Instagram on your phone, you can put these on and go see your friends and stuff like that.
But your friends have to have one.
Now your friends had to have one too.
Yeah.
So let's
Any of our friends got one? If you have one, comment down below.
comment down below if you have the Oculus Quest 1 or Quest 2.
She keeps
Get
saying.
in here. All right, Madison, Mackenzie, let's open it up.
She keeps saying, hey, I'm hot.
Mackenzie, you heard me say babe.
Bam!
That is my bag.
Here we go. We're gonna get inside the box now. Yeah, Oculus.
That is my bag.
Family unboxing. Ooh, look at the presentation though.
Cool.
Look at the presentation. So these are like the hand joints that you use.
What do you like?
I don't know.
They're gonna teach us
I
how to
can't
do
wait.
it.
What we do first?
And I'm gonna.
I'm going
Oh,
first.
this is something in here.
I called first.
No, it was my gift, and I asked
It's not
her.
your gift. Is that her gift?
This is a family. All right, Madison. You said you're gonna go first, and tell me what you see. What you see?
I see the box. This thing.
You see the box?
What does it
Bro, why do the
What does it
controllers
look like?
Oh, this is the left one. This is the left. Yeah. No, wrong hand.
KK? You okay?
It says this. You can remove your headset. Keep your headset charging. It will it will play a sound when the update is complete.
Okay, so what is?
It says up here, it's like a blue sky, and it's like so pretty.
That's what I was telling you about.
Oh,
So
yeah, the sky.
inside, she can see like this blue sky, and you can see like the control
Beautiful.
screen.
It's like planet.
Yeah. So this is
Restarting.
the Oculus Quest 2.
I think we need to charge it. It just went off.
It just went off.
It just went black.
Oh man.
Why do we have to
It might
charge
be
it?
because we hadn't done anything.
We
in a while.
hadn't done anything with it. I mean, we just opened it up. We haven't charged it or anything.
Oh no, it's cut back on.
Oh, okay. Madison.
Why did it turn black?
We'll put it back on and see what happens. So it has a power cord right here with all the instructions that we haven't read.
Exactly.
Oh, it has an
Oh,
arrow
yeah.
pointing down, and it's like charging.
We're not one.
Power
It says-
cord,
Yeah, it has an arrow pointing down, and it's charging with green.
C-port power cord. All right, we got that. This right here is the battery that goes on the strap.
Oh, neat.
So it gives you more power. So you can charge this up
And still be playing with it.
and still be playing. Let's take a look at that while Madison is in the metaverse.
Well, I'm in La La Land.
Yeah, you're in the metaverse. That's what it's called, Madison. The metaverse.
I can barely even see my components.
Yeah.
Oh,
3D.
there's the planets again.
You can see the planets.
Yeah. Okay, now they're telling me something, but it's a little blurry.
See what we gotta do when you first put it on. You can adjust. You can adjust
Now it's not blurry. It says pair your headset to the Oculus mobile app.
Oculus mobile app. Oh, I gotta
Setup.
download the mobile app
Look at
on my
that.
phone.
Go.
The case that's
So
in
It
this
says right controller update in progress. Update progress 65, 66, 67%.
Madison is in the metaverse, y'all.
And it says
Madison,
pair set.
You're reading very well.
You're reading very well.
It says go to the Google Play Store or Apple Store or Apple App Store to download the Oculus app and pair your headset. You may need to enter this pairing code 38651.
Okay.
Having trouble pairing? Go to
Madison reading everything.
settings. Whoa! Just made a noise. Web
Okay.
controller update in progress.
Okay.
Having
So
trouble?
this is the carrying case. This is the carrying case. It has
It
space.
doesn't show my controllers.
It has space for the controllers on the inside. And this is
The
the
sky looks so pretty.
battery strap. So this is the
Mommy,
battery
do you
strap,
wanna see the
guys.
sky? It's just so pretty.
So you put this on the back, plug this into the side, and you got power. Uh-oh, mommy's going into the metaverse.
It looks so pretty. I want to show her the sky.
Just adjust it until it's kind of clear, Quan. Like move it up and down. I mean, loosen it up because you got hair.
My head is bigger. Pair your headset to the Oculus
trying to
mobile
help
app
you.
to continue. Is she? To continue setup.
Yeah, she has her hand out.
Go to Google Play Store or Apple App Store,
See, I
Eric.
said
Is that loosening?
Ow,
or
no,
tightening?
it's tightening.
You loosen.
Or Apple. Okay,
Oh.
I think I'm good.
good?
Download the
that. And if you look up, all the way
app
up,
and pair your headset. You may need to enter this pairing code. Ready to pair, Eric?
Not yet. I have the the extra power cord.
Oh, and it says you have to have a Facebook account. Did you see that? I was just reading this on the box.
Okay. I wonder
Here,
if
Phil,
this whole
right
thing
here.
does this go on the outside?
Mommy, look
of it?
up, all the way up. You can see some.
Oh wait, that is up there.
I think this is gonna be the new strap. Oh, I got it.
Oh, I see. Oh,
This is gonna be the
It
new
looks so
strap.
pretty.
yeah.
So we gotta read
This
directions,
could
y'all.
be,
We haven't read
this
any
could be
directions.
like
I can see your eye.
therapeutic.
So what are you saying?
No, I'm just saying. I'm just looking at the little circles up there.
Yeah.
But my point is, if this was something very like calming and soothing, like it could take you. Let's say if my happy place is the beach. You know what I'm saying? I could go and sit down somewhere and put my feet up and be at the beach. I could look around and hear the birds chirping and
But you wouldn't actually
the
be able to see.
water. What? But I'm saying that can still be very calming, Maddie.
You think so?
I saw your eyeball. It looks really
You do not.
I saw it.
Mackenzie, what are you
So
drinking?
she's in the metaverse right now, y'all.
She's
Look
in
this way,
La La
Quan.
Land.
Do you have the controllers in your hand?
No.
Madison, grab the
She's
controllers.
just telling me right now to pair headset.
But I need to download the app.
These are for your wrist.
Where's the right one? Say that up here.
Look this way, Quan. I know you follow by voice. You're in the metaverse.
Welcome to Oculus. After this tutorial, you'll be ready to explore.
She's in La La
I'm ready to
Land.
see something.
All right, so we got to finish setting this thing up, man. So inside, what we got today in the unboxing, we got the Oculus headset, the Oculus Quest 2 headset. We have the 2 hand controllers
This one
Right here.
right
makes
there.
kids use.
There you go. We have the battery strap. Okay, and we got the 256 gigabyte one, so it has a lot of space for downloading because you got download games and different things on there. And we're gonna dig deep into the metaverse, so we're gonna talk about that more here on the channel, man. We're gonna be the first family channel in the metaverse. Yeah.
This could be a part 1 of the unboxing.
Part
Because we
1.
need to actually like have something in here that we're doing.
We need to
talk about
review it. Yeah, so this is more of the unboxing.
Rubber.
So we'll be able to review it and give you guys some feedback on, what we're seeing and how it's going. So, yeah, part 1, as Quan just said, man. Stevenson SQUAD.
Squad.
Stevenson SQUAD.
Squad.
In the look at Metaverse
Please
Mama.
like,
Comment.
comment, and subscribe.
Metaverse
Uh-oh.
Mama.
When you're ready to explore some new VR worlds, insert a cartridge into the console.
You're
Where?
not looking at her.
Oh, Lord. Metaverse
Where?
Mommy.
What is that?
It's right to your right. There you go. Don't touch it.
Oh. What is
Metaverse
it?
Mommy.
You're looking at
You gotta say Stevenson SQUAD. Madison.
Stevenson Squad?
Say
My
Stevenson
head's
SQUAD.
chopped off. Stevenson.
Oh,
Who's
she
that?
hit. Don't hit.
Madison. Mackenzie.
It wasn't me.
Stevenson
We're out.
Squad.
Stevenson SQUAD.